Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Miss Simone. If you're new here, welcome. On my channel I focus on beauty, fashion, and lifestyle. So today we're going to be doing a review and comparison of the Nars Soft Matte Complete Foundation and the Nars Light Reflecting Foundation. So I just washed my face. I'm going to put on some moisturizer. This is by CeraVe. So then I'm going to go in with a primer, which is the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. Okay, so starting off, we're going to start with the Nars Soft Matte Complete Foundation. And I'm in the shade Macao, which is a medium deep 4. Just here, I'm going to shake it. So a lot of these makeup settle, so it's good to shake your makeup. My Fenty sponge. So that's the part I'm gonna do my one side of my face. Okay. So this one does tend to go on me a little bit more orange. This is a soft matte complete foundation. Okay, so it does seem to go on a little bit more orange, but it's going on well. I haven't put anything on. I haven't color corrected. Normally I would color correct, but today we're going bare face so we can see what it's like. So pretty good coverage. Okay. Okay, pretty good coverage. So now we're gonna do the left side with the Nars Light Reflecting Foundation, and again in the color Macao. Same size amount. So this one looks like a little bit more watery based. The other one was a bit thicker. So again, so you can see the difference. And it does say light reflecting, so you can definitely see the light reflecting off of it on this side. Does have a nice coverage. Do keep in mind, I do tend to get a little bit lighter in the winter fall time, so it is winter fall where I am. So we're done. I find that, so what do we think? You can definitely see that the light reflecting foundation, you can definitely see on this side. You can definitely see the light reflecting off of it. I feel like it gives good coverage. Okay, and then on the right side, it's this soft matte complete foundation, and you can see that it does give a softer matte finish as promised. I can see a little bit more of my hyperpigmentation. Between the both of them, I definitely do say I do love the light reflecting foundation a little bit more. I love that it gives that light and it feels more lightweight. I do love a good matte foundation though, so I definitely would wear this when I'm going out for, you know, longer periods of time. But if I'm just doing a day-to-day, I would definitely wear the light reflecting foundation. I think it gives us like a nice little glow, and it's easily to go on, and you know, maybe a little bit of concealer on top, and then I'm good to go. So actually we'll do that. I'm gonna put a little bit of concealer on, and that is it. So let me know in the comments which one you like better. Do you like the Nars Light Reflecting Foundation or the Nars soft matte foundation. Which one are you willing to try? Okay, comments below and let me know. Thanks. Let me know in the comments below which one you prefer. Bye.